Hi friends, thank you so much for choosing this video and subscribing our channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to use your institute or consultancy certificates. Okay, if you receive any certificates, if you want to switch your job from non-IT to IT domain, definitely most of the people will learn some course in a particular institute and in a particular consultancy, they will get this certificate. However, if you receive certificate, definitely PF account will be created. Many people are thinking about this PF, how we will hide this PF and how to use our certificate, our consultancy or institute certificate to join in IT industry. So in this video, I'm going to give crystal clear tricks. This tricks going to work 100%. You can believe me, and don't share these tricks to anyone. This will get fire back to you. This is specific video and specific solution for special video for my followers alone, and please understand and please watch this video multiple times and understand the concept, and don't share these tricks to anyone.